So we're doing the BMW crankshaft position sensor. This is going to be the third time because the last two that we got, I also posted earlier a little while ago that there's an easier way to change it if you don't break anything like I did, which I broke it. I over tightened it just by a bit. Is this little guy right here. Okay. So there's part number if you need that. There. So I over tightened it just a bit and broke it. Car still runs, but the crankshaft position sensor that was import direct is, a lot of people on the BMW forums are saying that they are crap. I don't know why. I got two different ones, well, same brand from O'Reilly's, and they function the same. So we got an OE price the same. Here's where we're at, and it's down all the way down there. It's right next to the starter. So if you do feel like your starter might be going out, just change it while you're here. Most of the stuff, some of it we took off. It's just the basic, like the intake, you know, the cover up here, and you know the bar that goes over here, and the cover. We've taken that off. Well, that is pretty simple. Anybody who's planning to do this should be able to at least take that part off. Because if you can't take those essentials off, then maybe you shouldn't do it. So here's what you want to be careful with. This plastic, it warms up pretty well. So when you do go and unplug, it's kind of really stiff. So be really gentle with it, because it'll snap if too much pressure is put on it. Right here.
And that guy right there?
Yeah, it's right next to the intake.
So this hose is part of the intake in the back here. Move your hand.
Dude,
so it loops around and goes under the intake, and it has to come out with the intake itself. And it's super brittle.
Look, this is right here. How the hell are you supposed to stick your fingers in there? God damn it. Okay. So this guy's here, and I was able to replace it and take it out also from this area right in here. So it's kind of a tight fit. You got to move some things around, but you could actually get in there and disconnect it and do what you need to do to get that sucker out.
This one in particular has a bolt that snapped.
Wrecking me.
Yeah.
Let me take a look at this damage.
Yeah, it seems quite.
Oh shit. Oh fucked. Shit's almost flush. Fucked. Close to fucked. So this is import direct. I don't know how well you can see it. I'll kind of maybe so as you can see, it has little imprints on it. Okay, this is the OEM, or what's that? What he call it?
Video. So it's
so that's the closest one to, and the original one actually looked identical to this with the gaps. I don't know if it makes a difference. We'll find out once we install it. And it seems like the same brand as the OEM. And this is the little knockoff guy that's going to be returned with a lifetime warranty from O'Reilly's. Should have never done that. Switch on. Where's that? This guy. I want to see something.
Clips right in.
It's a nice fit.
Yeah, better than that O'Reilly's one.
Oh yeah. The other
this one is the OEM. So.
Oh, this is so fucking, excuse me, snug in here.
Well,
it's kind of like.
Might just leave it in there the way this.
No. Just gonna.
So some people say to put epitome on here. I'm not gonna do it just because. Put like lubricant or something right on these right here, but I think we'll be fine.
Well, it wouldn't hurt, so it seats easier.
Yeah, but the only crap I got is like electric grease and whatnot.
So I'm using E12. It's one of these little guys.
Okay.
Because you get this kind of. I think my sizing might be just a bit off, but every brand is different, I guess. So it's a tiny bit wobbly in there, but we should be okay. Because you don't need to tighten that too much. Because if you over tighten it, you're gonna end up doing what I did earlier, and then it's gonna suck. So just tighten it literally just by hand. That's as far as you want to go.
Yeah, so I think by the book it's asking for a 3.4 newtons or something like that.
Germans, I swear.
Germans.
Nicht sprechen. Let's break this one too.
Yeah, I mean, is that what you want to do? Then mess with it for a while?
What do you think? Good enough, or should I just give it a little twist? It feels awkward. It feels weird not to.
So let's see if it's gonna show up on the solve of a. These are the torque specs for the sensors on this particular engine and then some of the other similar models. For pulse generator for crankshaft, it is a
What?
3 Newton meters or something like that. I'm not sure
So what's
exactly
3
what
meters
the
break
abbreviations are. And then torque it to 45 degrees. Anyways.
Well.
In our world, it's probably going to be just hand tighten that sucker.
I'm
So you don't
I'm gonna give
end up snapping it.
just a tiny bit. That's as far as I'm going. Because last time I did that and it broke. That's why it's good to replace them. They're only $2.
Yeah.
And why not?
Yeah.
Because they get old, worn out, and then they're so tiny, they just snap. Okay, this bad boy's getting hooked up. This is so much fun. Hopefully it's seated in there correctly. There's, really no way at this point that I could tell if it's off or not. I tighten it down, right?
Yep.
How much more can I tighten down?
That's about it.
don't really care for it.
And that's done.
One thing I would say is take pictures of everything before you start taking it apart, while you're taking it apart, and that way if you do forget something, you always got something to backtrack on, especially if it's your first time doing it. For me, that's what I did the first time. Now I just don't care anymore. I know what I'm doing.
So don't forget, don't latch your back tailgate after disconnecting the battery, because then this will happen. You'll have to climb in the back.
What's up?
Do you feel comfortable in there?
Jesus. No. I forgot, dude. What the hell? You wanna try to pop it open?
Yeah.
Because I can't tighten it from here. Damn, electrical system.